We want to support our community that we grew up in, and we want to give back because we have the position and the opportunity to bring these people together, create this tournament that raises hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. And we couldn't do it without the people that are here, but it's been a tremendous success. My name is Nick Taylor. This is the Nick Taylor Charity Classic presented by Algo Bros. We're just raising monies for our community.
One thing I'd like people to take away from this event would be just to think about giving in a new way. Everything we can do together will make it a little bit better. Even though it could be incremental change, it's still a positive change.